students, class 9th mathematics chapter 1st. How can we write the 3.142678 in the p by q? You have read and you have practiced it in your primary classes. Omit the decimal number and put the 1 on the denominator, and after the number of digits equal to put the 0 after 1. P by q equal to 3142678 upon 1 0 0 0 6 times 0. Example 0.3333 equal to 0.3 bar in p by q form. You have to write this 0.3333 in p by q form. So here is the solution. Here is we have to use the trick. Let 0.3 bar be x equal to 0.3 bar. So x equal to 0.333 and 3. So we multiplied 10 both sides. That is this is the trick. And 10x equal to 10 into 0.33333 4 times. Okay. So 10x equal to 3.4 times 3 times 3 3.333. So 10x we solve the equation. 10x minus x equal to 3. So 9x equal to 3. So 3 here 3 upon 9. So 1 by 3. So 0.3333 can be written in the form of p by q 1 by 3, means 0.3 bar equal to 1 by 3.